In this video we're going to do a quick experiment you can do to get a little practice measuring current with the multimeter. We're going to measure the current through a red LED when it is powered by 5 volts, protected by a 220 ohm resistor. You can also calculate it with Ohm's law. But the power supply is saying we have about 12 milliamps of current, same as 0.012 amps of current. To get a more accurate measurement, we use a multimeter. First, we have to open the circuit. So we're going to bridge this gap that we just made with this, removing this jumper with the multimeter probes. So now zooming in on the multimeter. First thing we want to make sure the black probe is in COM. That's where we want that. And the red probe, you can see that's the milliamp setting. And if we want to measure higher current, then we would move over there. But for the milliamps, we got it there. And we want to set this meter to milliamps. So this is an auto-ranging number. If there's a number with the current, always set it to a number higher than you're going to measure. If you put more current through the meter than you have set to measure, you will likely blow a fuse. And I believe this meter has a limit of 600 milliamps. Okay, so we got a red probe and a black probe. So the black probe generally goes to the negative power supply if you have a DC right there. And now we're going to go to the red probe. This is the cathode of the LED. Long lead, the anode is up there. You have to put it in the right way or else it won't light up. So in any case, this is more accurate. My power supply is usually about 1 or 2 milliamps off, and you see it there. And you can see that the LED is probably conducting slightly better as it warms up, but it will level off, you know, sometime soon right there. So you can see that change as well right there. Semiconductors have a problem with thermal runaway, where if they get hot, they conduct better, and if you don't limit the current properly, it might pass so much current that it blows. Something to be aware of. Not usually a big problem, but there are times where it is. Make sure you turn the multimeter off when you're done. First off, keep the battery lasting longer. Hopefully it has auto shut off. But also, you don't want to leave it in measuring current, because that's the easiest way probably to damage the meter, mostly blowing a fuse. You try to measure a voltage directly, that's basically unlimited current, and so it blows the fuse to protect the meter. So avoid doing that. One thing I also do is we don't need more than 20 milliamps to light an LED, so I set a limit with this power supply to stop raising the voltage. Once it is providing 20 milliamps, it will lower the voltage to prevent that. So, in any case, this went on longer than I thought, but it's meant for absolute beginners. So, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.